In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your WAVLINK router to your computer using an Ethernet cable. This is a simple and reliable way to set up a stable internet connection. Find the Ethernet ports on your router, which are usually labeled LAN. You can typically find these on the back of the device, and there are usually 2 to 4 ports available for connecting multiple devices. Next, connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the LAN port on your router. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to your computer's port, typically found on the side of laptops or at the back of desktop computers. Your computer should automatically detect the connection. If it's not working, check to see if your router is turned on and set up correctly. In the video description, you'll find a tutorial on how to optimize your WAVLINK router for improved performance, along with other useful guides. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.